try 5 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1955 Chevrolet Handyman wagon, street rotted, 383 stroke small block Chevy underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 200 4R automatic transmission with overdrive, and also very nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, power windows, power seat. So a lot of amenities built into this rod. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome, front grille, headlight surrounds, some custom pinstriping. Go with that street rod look. Now there are some imperfections in the paint. There's little spots been touched up here, a little one over here. So there are a few areas like that throughout, and I'll kind of try to point them out as we go around it. But hey, this is a car. Get in it, turn the key, drive it, have some fun, take it down the road. This will be a good time. Now remember, you can reach us at 507-386-1726. The still pictures, probably over 100 of this one, online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We're going to fire this one up at the end of the video, let you check out the engine bay, hear how it sounds. As you can see, riding on US Mag chrome wheels. Disc brakes up front. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this vehicle. You can see it's nice and straight. I would kind of call it a cream, very, very pale yellow, but probably more of a cream. The ermine white top, saddle and black interior, nice bench seat, and again a power seat. It'll be a comfortable ride too. Vintage AC type system, Sony stereo system in it also. And we'll get around to the interior. We can check that out here in just a bit too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you get a look at the rear. Chrome on the bumper. Again, the pinstriping for that street rod look. Here's a little spot. Has been touched up. There'll be pictures with the doors open in the back here. Obviously the glass folds up and the tailgate comes down. Check out the still pictures of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Going through the miscellaneous receipts and manuals that will go along with this car. QA1 shocks, 9-inch rear end with a true track, low car shifter when we get on the interior, and that is in an eidetic column. So there is a, like I said, kind of a folder with miscellaneous receipts and manuals that will go along with this. Again, just a couple real fine. I'm getting pretty fussy. You can even see that little blemishes there. So I mean, this is a vehicle that has been driven, hasn't just sat in the garage anywhere. So don't be afraid to get out, drive it, and enjoy it. Let's go ahead, start this up. It does have true dual exhaust. Magnaflow mufflers on it. Here's that kind of black and saddle interior carried through. Power seat. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. There'll be pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats. You can see that that's in good shape. We have classic instruments, gauges. Wipers do work. Again, AC blows cold. And let's fire this up. You can see the gauges are also working, and we do have tachometer that works. Aftermarket stereo system. Again, is it Sony? It does have a remote to it. Some of that pinstriping carried onto the interior. Speakers down in the front kick panels. So a nice custom stereo install. Take a peek at the headliner. Good shape. Second row seat. Also in fine shape, and you'll be able to see that again in the still pictures. There is a fold down armrest in the front here. Like I said, this would be a comfortable car to go down the road in. No doubt about that. Set up to drive too with that automatic overdrive stroke small block Chevy 383. Listen to that. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 second. Let's finish up with the engine bay. Check out what we have underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, aluminum radiator. Again, power brakes, power steering, electric fan, AC. Billet, valve covers, air cleaner covers, Edelbrock card, Edelbrock intake, battery cut off right underneath here, FYI. The data tag or cowl tag and the VIN plate will both be in the still pictures if you want to check those out at all. It's a nice looking engine bay, nicely equipped. Ready to enjoy. 1955 Chevrolet Handyman Wagon. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.